In this video, I will teach how you can dynamically upload multiple number of files from gitbash. Means from your terminal, you can push multiple number of millions of files in a small amount of time. So let's see how it is done. So let us assume this folder contain a lot of files. Right now I have one file. You assume this folder contain a lot of files. So I just need to open my gitbash here. I will click on gitbash here. Then my gitbash will be opened, and here I need to write some commands. But before that, what I need to do, I need to go to GitHub and click on this new button. Then here repository name will be shown. You just need to write your project name. Let us assume my project is test, so I'm just writing test. Whatever your project name, you need to give it there. Here you need to write the description. Whatever is your project description, I'm just writing test. You write your description, whatever is yours. And if you need to create a public repository, you need to click on public, or if you need private, so just click on the private. Once that is done, then you need to create repository. You need to click on create repository. Just click on the create repository. Then scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the commands. It gives you all the commands, but I will show the beneficial command. Don't add this one because it is not needed. Just copy this one. Only just copy this command. And once that is copied, then go to your terminal and first of all write git init. Inside that folder, just write git init. Then to check the files, you can write ls. It will show the file whatever is present there. Then write git r then dot. Write git r then dot. Then click on enter. Then write git commit -m. Then here you write the commit. Let us assume test file. Whatever is commit, you can write. I have written test file is my commit. Then you need to write git remote. You need to give. Just paste whatever you have copied from here. Just paste it here. Not this one. This one you need to copy it. Then open your git bash and paste it here. Then click on enter. Once that is pasted, you need to write git push origin master. Then click on enter. Once that process is done, just refresh your page and your code will be here. Whatever code will be there. I just written a simple text file, so it is showing me text file like ABCD. I have written for testing purpose, but in your case, whatever your project file, all will be visible here. That's all for today, guys. Hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for latest update relating the GitHub and coding.